You've been going to the gym, you're lifting weights, you're sweating, and yet, nothing is happening. No new muscle, no new strength. Before you blame genetics, let me tell you something most lifters never hear. You're not growing because you're breaking the basic rules of muscle science. Let's fix that right now. Most lifters think muscle comes from training harder, more sweat, more pain, more crazy workouts, but muscle doesn't care how hard your workout feels. Muscle responds to tension, progressive overload, recovery, and nutrition. If your weight isn't going up, your reps aren't going up, then your body has no reason to grow. If you're not gaining muscle, there's a 90% chance this is the reason. You are undereating. Muscle growth is expensive, it takes calories, it takes protein. Your body will not build new tissue if you're barely giving it enough to survive. To gain muscle, you need protein to build the muscle, you need carbs to fuel your training, and you need calories to actually create new tissue. If you've been lifting for months with zero progress, your nutrition is the problem, not your genetics. This is the science of growth, and the reason 80% of lifters never change. Your muscles grow when they're forced to adapt to a stress they've never experienced before. That means more weight, more reps, more sets, more control, more tension, better form. If every week looks the same, your body stays the same. You can't build the muscle if you're not actually using the muscle. Half reps, swinging weight, ego lifting. This is the fastest way to make sure your body changes exactly 0%. When you lift with proper form, you create more tension, more stability, and more hypertrophy. When you rush through sloppy reps, you're just moving weight, not building muscle. If you're in the gym 6-7 days a week with no rest, you're not hardcore, you're destroying your recovery. Muscle doesn't grow when you work out. Muscle grows when you sleep, eat, and recover. Beginners need rest days, your nervous system needs recovery, your muscles need downtime. Most people walk into the gym and just wing it, a little chest here, a little biceps there, maybe some random machines. But muscle growth comes from structured, repeatable training, not random workouts. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Sleep isn't optional, sleep isn't weakness. Sleep is literally the #1 anabolic hormone booster you have, and it's free. Your body releases the most growth hormone during deep sleep. If you're sleeping 4-6 hours, that's why your progress is dead. You can't fix what you don't measure. If you're not tracking your weight, reps, sets, calories, or protein, you're guessing, and guessing is how you stay weak. When you track your training, you see the truth, you see the trends, you see what's working. That's why I use PumpPal. Der start once the Dirch the Detrain Duristan Otstan. Or the Deristan kind stan. Story tracks your workouts, progression, measurements, and more. No guessing, just growth. A lot of beginners stay small because they're terrified of gaining a little fat. But listen, a clean bulk isn't dirty. It's the fastest way to add muscle. You don't get jacked by eating like a bird. You get jacked by fueling the machine. Muscle takes time. Weeks, months, years. If you stop every time the scale doesn't move for a week, you'll never grow. You're closer than you think. Stay consistent. Stay patient. Stay hungry. The truth is simple. You can gain muscle. You should be gaining muscle. And if you're not, you're breaking one of these rules. Fix them, and your progress can explode in just a few weeks. If you want a simple way to track your workouts, improve your form, see your progression, and build muscle faster, try PumpPal. It's made for lifters, beginners to advanced, and it makes tracking easy. The link is in the description. Now go train smart and grow.